How to learn Java backend development step by step. Most people get this wrong by diving into frameworks before mastering the basics. The surprising truth is that strong backend skills come from understanding core Java concepts first. Start by learning Java fundamentals, variables, data types, loops, conditionals, and object-oriented programming principles like inheritance, polymorphism, and encapsulation. Practice by building small console programs to reinforce each concept. You won't believe how quickly your understanding grows with consistent practice. Next, move to core backend topics such as file handling, exception management, collections, and multithreading. These form the backbone of any backend application. Implement mini projects like a text-based banking system or simple inventory management to apply your skills. Once comfortable with core Java, explore popular backend frameworks like Spring Boot. Start with setting up RESTful APIs, connecting to databases like MySQL or PostgreSQL, and implementing CRUD operations. Understand dependency injection, service layers, and controllers. Small projects like a task manager or book catalog help solidify your knowledge. Finally, learn about testing, security, and deployment. Use Unit for testing, understand basic authentication, and deploy your applications locally or on cloud platforms. Most beginners skip this, but deployment experience is crucial for real-world backend development. In conclusion, learning Java backend development is a step-by-step process. Master core Java, practice with mini projects, learn frameworks, and implement testing and deployment. Follow this path, and you'll become a confident backend developer ready for real-world applications.